ninjas, this is Sun. Today I'm going to show you how I use and also what I think about Smile Brilliant, how to use it, how to send them back the information so that they'll give you the tray and everything, and the whole whitening process and what I think of it. This is actually my first time trying out anything to do with like whitening my teeth, so I thought I'd give it a try. Hi! I'll have all the information below for you guys to check out. If you guys have any questions, you guys can go ahead and leave it in the comments. So I'm going to go right ahead with showing you guys how to get started with it. So here I'm just showing you guys all the stuff that I received from Smile Brilliant. Here's the catalyst, base, and tray to make your teeth molds to send back to them. And they give instructions on how you're supposed to make it. Begin by rolling both the catalyst and base into a ball and then flatten them onto each other. Keep folding and pulling them together until you get one solid color. Place it evenly in the tray. You just want to adjust the tray to your teeth before biting down, and hold the mold onto your teeth for about 2 minutes. It does seem like a long time when you're just holding it there. I repeat it for my bottom teeth. Let it dry once you remove it, and sit until the mold can't move, and rinse it. Now all you have to do is fill out the card and mail the mold back to Smile Brilliant in order to make your trays. I'm showing you guys the before of my teeth before I begin the whitening process. This is what the trays look like when you receive them, and all you need to do is put one line of whitening gel onto the custom trays and put it onto your teeth. It should fit perfectly onto your teeth since it's your custom mold. Then I'll wait about 45 minutes before taking them out and rinsing my mouth. Here's a look at what my teeth look like afterwards, but the result in person are definitely more noticeable than on camera. Okay, so what I think about it, I really think that this product does whiten my teeth to a certain extent. Sometimes I can't really tell like the big difference, but it does come with 3 different sessions each of these boxes, and so after the 3rd session you can really see a difference. Tips are a lot more whiter. You don't have to hold it in place. It's not something that you hold in place, and it doesn't really bother me because all you do is you put a little bit of this inside the tray and then you put it on your teeth, and it kind of works like a retainer or something like that. So it's not very uncomfortable, especially if you're going to leave it on for 45 minutes to 3 hours. Maybe one con about it is that it does make your teeth feel sensitive, so sometimes it will feel a lot more sensitive and then I have to take it off earlier. It gives you like this desensitizing gel, which also works great. There's so much information on it, so much information on like whitening your teeth, and also because it's like my first time whitening, so I hope it gives you guys some or a little bit of information just to show you guys like what this product is. Hi.
Okay.
What are you doing?
I'm here to see your outro.
Oh, okay. Anyways, remember to comment, like, subscribe, and again, if you have any other questions, just leave it in the comments, and I look at all the comments. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.